Momentous movements often begin with the foresight of a single mind. The late Padma Shri Khel Shankar Durlabji inspired just such a movement. Known as the Emerald King, he had within him a heart of pure gold. Wishing to give back to the society that had given him so much, he established the Santokh Ba Durlabji Trust in 1958. He then followed it up with a not-for-profit Santokh Ba Durlabji Memorial Hospital in 1971.
When we were celebrating 50 years of the formation of the trust last year, I had two options. One, I could have an Asha Bhosle night, which would cost a couple of crores and would give joy for one evening and nothing subsequently. Or we could come up with a series of programs really designed to help people in need, people in distress. Outreach is a program designed to enable us to reach out to people that we could not reach out to earlier. We found that there were many people coming to the hospital, but we found there were many people who weren't. And my father had always told us that we should walk the extra mile to help people who couldn't make it.
Instead of walking just that one extra mile, the entire hospital now travels up to 100 miles away, just to be available to those people who cannot come to them. Greeted like returning families and accorded the welcome of medieval conquering troops, the doctors at Santokh Ba are motivated by the welcoming smiles of those who greet them.
People celebrate the fact that genuine medical aid has arrived. People celebrate the fact that there is no agenda. I think Santokh Ba has an integrity of its own, primarily because it is not a corporate hospital. The moment you said Santokh Ba, people said yes, the right doctors have arrived, the right medicines will be given, the right treatment will follow. The level of acceptance is huge because it is Santokh Ba.
Daily wage earners cannot afford to forego work to travel to Jaipur for medical aid. So, the Outreach Department of Santokh Ba holds health camps in villages outside of Jaipur. The overwhelming response and the number of registrations for these camps inspired the launch of the Aam Janta Card. This card provides the patient consultations at ₹30 and discounts on investigations and hospitalization expenses.
It's like family members coming to them and providing them services. And the response of public in these areas has been overwhelming.
कैंप बहुत अच्छा लगे और अभी कैंप लगेगा तो और आऊँगी।
बढ़िया कैंप लगे है, बढ़िया व्यवस्था है, दवाई अच्छी दे हैं,
अच्छी तरह जांच कर दवाई मान लो दे दी, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है।
बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं, हम क्या खुश हैं, पूरा फुल्लरा की जनता खुश है इस कैंप को लेकर के।
Extending its reach even to urban slums like Jhalana Dungri in Jaipur, Santokh Ba conducts a daily health clinic where consultation and medicines are free of charge.
And it is something that has made a difference not only to the people that we serve, it has made a huge difference to the people who serve. There is a greater compassion, there is a greater mellowness. I think they return much better human beings.
After doing camps and other outreach activities, we are satisfied that we have done something for the society. Something that we don't expect anything in return for.
I think there is an element of goodness in everybody which often gets suppressed. I think everybody likes to do something that is good and to do something for the lot of people that otherwise would have nothing going for them, especially in a country like India where you don't have bipolarity in society, the rich and the poor, but you have several strata of society, from people who have nothing to eat to people who gorge. So I think when there is a genuine program imbibed with the right values and pursued with vigor, they will react. We have not only the hospital responding, we have institutions and organizations within the city wanting to link up with us.
Acknowledging the phenomenal results that Santokpa was achieving, the government naturally approached the hospital to adopt 15 of their Anganwadi programs. In these programs, volunteers go from door to door, urging expectant women and mothers to attend the free maternal and child healthcare camps that are set up by Santokpa in the vicinity. Keeping children in mind, Santokpa also extended its hand to the SOS village in Jaipur. These abandoned but intrinsically happy children are given free inpatient and outpatient treatment at Santokpa.
दुर्लभ जी के नाम सुन के ऐसा लगता है जैसे कभी अचानक कोई बच्चा बीमार हो जाता है। मुझे लगता है हम जाएंगे और पहुंचेंगे, वो हमें अपने परिवार की तरह डील करेंगे। हमें कोई ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि हम एक नए हॉस्पिटल में आए हैं।
Santokpa was not the first and will certainly not be the last to recognize that children are indeed the future that we need to nurture. Free monthly OPDs are conducted for the children at Bal Bhavan, a creative resource center for underprivileged children. The doctors are now considered a part of the children's extended family. In fact, 2 promising boys are also being educated free for a year. Santokpa also felt the need and the calling to be part of the inspirational work being done at Disha and Umang towards rehabilitation of the disabled. A senior physiotherapist visits the centers each week to help design specialized physiotherapy sessions for the children. Devinder, a 19-year-old boy, was unable to walk from childhood. At Santokpa, he underwent multiple corrective surgeries on his legs at no charge to him.
अगर मैं दुर्लभ जी हॉस्पिटल में नहीं जाता तो मेरे पैर वैसे ही रह जाते, टेढ़े ही रह जाते। मैं ये सोचता था कि मैं चल ही नहीं पाऊंगा। अब ऑपरेशन के बाद मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि मैं अब चल पाऊंगा। उम्मीद है।
Hope being a powerful emotion, Santokpa does everything it can to keep it alive in these children and young adults.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया।
You know, I told